Dear students, today we are going to start our new chapter number 3, that is fraction. Textbook page 40. Today we will cover question number 1, 2 and 3 of exercise 3A. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. A part 4 by 5 plus 5 by 3. Now dear students, look, the denominators of fractions are different, and fractions having different denominators are known as unlike fraction. We can add and subtract unlike fractions after making their denominators same. So in order to same their denominators, first we will find LCM of their denominators. Now LCM of 5 and 3, denominator 5, 3 is 15. Now we will write equivalent fraction of 4 by 5 and 5 by 3 having denominators same, that is 15. We multiply numerator and denominator of fraction 4 by 5 by 3 and 5 by 3 by 5. After multiplying, we get their equivalent fractions, that is 12 by 15 and 25 by 15. Now we can add easily because it becomes like fractions. Now we write their denominator one time and add their numerators, that is equal to 37 over 15. Now the answer is 37 by 15. Now look dear students, it is an improper fraction because its numerator is greater than its denominator, so we convert it into mixed fraction by dividing. (15) 2 times 30. So the mixed fraction is 2 whole 7 by 15. 2 whole 7 by 15. So in first blanks, the sum of 4 by 5 plus 5 by 3 is equal to 2 whole 7 by 15 or 37 by 15. Now part B is 8 by 11 minus 3 over 22. First we will find their LCM of their denominators 11 and 22. LCM of 11 and 22 is 22. So we write equivalent fractions, that is 16 over 22 minus 3 over 22. After solving we get 13 over 22. So in second blanks we write 13 over 22. 13 by 22. Now part C. Here the sum of two fractions is equal to 22 by 10. Sum is given and one fraction is known. When the sum and the one number is known, we can find the other number easily by subtracting known number from their sum. So we use this method. So we subtract 6 by 5 from 21 by 10. We find LCM of their denominators. LCM is 10. We write the equivalent fraction of 6 by 5, that is 12 by 10. After solving we get 9 by 10. Then the other fraction is 9 by 10. Now part D is 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 5. First we will find the LCM of their denominators. LCM of 3, 4 and 5 is 60. Now we write the equivalent fractions of 2 by 3, 3 by 4 and 1 by 5. So equivalent fractions of 2 by 3, 3 by 4 and 1 by 5 are 40 over 60, 45 over 60 and 12 over 60. And we get equivalent fraction by multiplying numerator and denominator with same number. So the solution is 97 over 60. That is an improper fraction. So we will divide and get an mixed fraction. That is 1 whole 37 over 60. 1 whole 37 over 60. Now the part E is 3 by 5 minus 6 by 5 minus 1 by 10. First we will find LCM of their denominators. LCM of their denominators is 10. We write equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 and 6 by 5. That is 6 by 10 and 12 over 10. Write 1 by 10 as it is. After solving, subtracting their numerator, 6 minus 12 minus 1, we get minus 7 over 10. So here minus 7 over 10. Now question number 2 is state whether the following statements are true or false. First one is 3 whole 1 by 6 plus 4 whole 1 by 3 is equal to 15 over 2. First we will check by adding these two mixed fractions. We can add mixed fractions by two methods. One of them is first we add whole numbers and then add fractions. Whole numbers 3 and 4, 3 plus 4 which is equal to 7. Fractions are 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3. We will find their LCMs, LCM of denominators, that are 6 and 3. LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. So we write equivalent fraction of 1 by 3, that is 2 by 6. After solving we get 3 by 6. And we can change it into its simplest form, that is 1 by 2. 3 1 time 3, 3 2 time 6. So the solution is 7 whole 1 by 2. But here it is an improper fraction, so we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction by multiplying denominator to whole number and add numerator in their product. 7 2 times 14 plus 1 which is equal to 15 by 2. So first one is true. Now part B is 8 over 13 minus 4 over 39 which is equal to 20 over 39. First we will find LCM of their denominators. LCM of 13 and 39 is 39. So we will write equivalent fraction of 8 by 13, that is 24 over 39. We write their denominator one time and subtract numerators, that is 24 minus 4 which is equal to 20 over 39. So part B is true. Part C is 12 over 7 minus 3 over 51 is equal to 9 over 17. First we will find LCM of their denominators, that are 7 and 15. LCM of 7 and 51. LCM of 7 and 51 is 357. So we will write equivalent fraction of 12 by 7 and 3 over 51 having denominator 357. Write their denominator one time and subtract numerators. 612 minus 21. We get 591 over 357. It is an improper fraction, so we divide and get an mixed fraction. So the answer is 1 whole 78 over 119. Here the difference is 9 over 17. That is false. Now part D is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4, which is equal to 13 over 12. First we will find LCM of their denominators, that are 2, 3 and 4. LCM of 2, 3 and 4 is 12. So we write equivalent fractions. 6 by 12, 4 by 12, 3 by 12. So their sum is 13 over 12. So part D is true. Now move to the part E of question number 2, that is 3 by 7 minus 3 by 14 minus 2 by 21 is equal to 5 over 21. We solve left hand side. 3 by 7, 3 by 14, 2 by 21. First we will find LCM of their denominators in order to make their denominators same. LCM of 7, 14 and 21 is 42. So we write equivalent fractions, that are 18 over 42, 9 over 42, 4 over 42. After solving we get 5 over 42. Here the given solution is 5 over 21, which is wrong. So it is false. Now move to question number 3. Select the correct answer from the given options. First one is 3 over 13 plus 9 over 91 is equal to. First we will solve 3 by 13 plus 9 over 91. First we will find LCM of their denominators. So LCM is 91. We write equivalent fraction of 3 by 13 and write 9 over 91 as it is because its denominator is already 91. So equivalent fraction of 3 by 13 is 21 over 91. After adding their numerators, we get 30 over 91. So here fourth option is correct. 30 over 91. Now part B is 26 over 57 minus 4 over 19. First we will find LCM of their denominators. LCM of their denominators is 57. So we write 26 over 57 as it is and write equivalent fraction of 4 over 19, that is 12 over 57. After subtracting their numerators we get 14 over 57. So here third option is correct, 14 over 57. Now part C is 8 over 15 plus 7 over 5 plus 1 over 30. We will find LCM of their denominators, 15, 5 and 30. So their LCM is 5 3 times 15, 15 2 times 30. We will write 1 over 30 as it is and write equivalent fraction of 8 over 15 and 7 by 5. 16 over 30, 42 over 30 plus 1 over 30. After adding their numerators we get 59 over 30. So its second option is correct, 59 over 30. Now part D is 2 whole 1 by 3 minus 1 whole 4 by 5 minus 2 whole 2 by 15. So while subtracting mixed fraction, first we will write mixed number as First one 2 plus 1 by 3. Then minus 1 minus 4 by 5. And minus 2 over 15. Then we subtract whole numbers. First 2 minus 1. And then we will subtract fractions. 1 by 3 minus 4 by 5 minus 2 by 15. First we will find their LCM of their denominators. Denominators are 3, 5, 15. 3 1 time 3, 5 as it is. 3 5 times 15. Now 5 1 time 5, 5 1 time 5, 1 as it is. So LCM of 3, 5 and 15 is 3 5 time 15. So we write their equivalent fractions. 3 5 times 15, 5 3 times 15. 4 multiply 3 and 1 multiply 5. We get equivalent fraction by multiplying numerator and numerator with same number. So equivalent fraction of 1 by 3 is 5 by 15. 4 by 5 is 12 over 15 and write 2 over 15 as it is. So here after solving their numerators we get minus 9 over 15. Now we can write 1 as 15 by 15 in order to make their denominators same. So 1 plus minus 9 by 15 is equal to, we will write 1 as 15 by 15 plus minus 9 by 15. Now we subtract 15 minus 9, 15 and 9. 15 minus 9 and write denominator one time. 15 minus 9 is equal to 6 over 15. So here first option is 6 over 15. Now part E is 2 whole 1 by 3 minus 1 whole 1 by 10 minus 1 by 6. Part E is 2 whole 1 by 3 minus 1 whole 1 by 10 minus 1 by 6. First we will write mix fraction as 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 6. Now we subtract first whole numbers that are 2 and 1. 2 minus 1 plus, now we will subtract fractions 1 by 3, 1 by 10 and 1 by 6. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 10 minus 1 over 6. 2 minus 1 which is equal to 1. And here we will find LCM of their denominators. 3, 10 and 6. 3 1 times 3, 3 2 times 6, 10 as it is. 2 5 times 10, 2 1 times 2, 5 1 times 5, 3 2 times 6, 6 5 times 30. So LCM of 3, 10 and 6 is 30. We will write equivalent fraction of 1 by 3, 1 by 10, 1 by 6 having denominators 30. So 3 10 times 30, 10 3 times 30 and 6 5 times 30. Equivalent fractions are 10 over 30, 3 over 30 minus 5 over 30. After subtracting their numerators, we get 10 minus 3 7, 7 minus 5 2. So 1 plus 2 over 30. So we get equivalent fraction of 2 by 30 by dividing numerator and denominator by 2. 2 1 times 2, 2 15 times 30, which is equal to 1 plus 1 over 15. When here positive sign comes, then we can write it as 1 whole 1 over 15. So in book, none of them option is right. So in book option 4 is 1 whole 1 by 60 and you will make it correct as 1 whole 1 over 15. So our solution is 1 whole 1 over 15. Select fourth option and make it correct, 1 whole 1 over 15. So it's all about today's lecture, addition and subtraction of unlike fractions.